Hello and welcome to the London Infrastructure as Code demo on how to set up a Slack webhook. Okay, so you're going to need Slack for this demo, so if you just set that up, download it, start it up and log in. Just do a usual Google search for how to create the webhook. Follow these instructions. You've got a few choices of what you can use, but we're just going to use incoming webhook. And then you add it into your channel and you decide which one it's going to add to. This time it's going to be general. Literally just take that, cut that straight in, and you can see there's the message immediately. So now we can take this and build it into an app. So what I'm going to do is just use a real basic example, put it into a server build I'm going to do in Terraform, and then change the message slightly just to tell me that the build has been successful, and then we'll run it and we'll see what happens. This is just my Terraform code. So we'll let that run, and in a couple of minutes time, well, a few seconds hopefully, we'll see the output in our Slack channel. It's got a lot of uses, this. You can get quite clever with your logic and your conditionals. And there we go, the message is there. So the team now knows the server's built and can log in and do their work. So let me know how you get on and some of the interesting ways that you're using this in your own work environments. Cheers.